Hey guys, today I'm going to show you my routine with these guys. They're kind of getting hungry, so right now I'm going to feed them. So I'll show you what I do with that. I usually grab the robins, so they're grub eaters, so I'll feed them a little bit. What I like to do is knock them on the floor, dirt, whatever, off the floor, onto the floor, because I'll vacuum that today, so. So I basically broke them up. One can go in here for right now, so in there. I'm gonna drop this. It's not gonna scare them. Watch. I got them used to that noise. That means to get food. There. They're sleeping right now, so this one can. What I'm gonna do is feed the fish. This one. Next up, I'll be wiping them. Sorry about the lighting, but I'll usually use 2 wipes, using baby wipes, to wipe them down a little bit. They usually get that like once a day, well twice a day, one in the morning and one at night, so haven't done it yet, so I'm going to get that set up. See? I'm going to also get their butt nice and clean. And let me get the ice cream bucket set up. I usually set them on the bed for a sec, see? I know. see them? The mom, if the mom was around for them, the moms will clean them with their feathers, but I don't. So I'm using baby wipes. So you should look up how mothers clean their babies. It's pretty interesting. I'll clean this out in a minute. So once these guys give, so what I'm gonna do is set this up, if I can, with one hand. Looks like I'm gonna need two. Sorry about that, guys. My phone was acting up, so there we go. Got it set up. Now I'm gonna empty this out in a few minutes. So let me set the baby birds in. To let you know, guys, I'm going to try and keep them as long as I can. I'm going to try to let them be house roamed, so, and potty trained, so yeah. This, I'll set right here. Then I'll wipe this out. Good. There we go. And that's where they go, so. Hope you like this simple routine with them. And I hope you like this video. Give it likes. Subscribe below. Make sure you share it too, so. See you next time. Ka-chow. Tweet, 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 tweet.